Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be starting a new video series, and it is basically going to cover everything you need to know about the basics of how to day trade and how to swing trade. Basically just how to trade in general, the psychology, the mentality of it, everything you need to know to get in a rhythm and kind of just get on this path to grow as a person and learn, you know. So this is going to be a very, very in-depth like recording series, I guess. Um, and this is just for anyone who wants to learn how to day trade or swing trade, because people want to know this stuff. I mean, I'm doing it for a job, and I'm 15. I'm not even 16 yet. I already got a car. I bought my dream car pretty much. So yes. All right. So let's get into it, my guys. So, by the way, this is the intro, so go to the next video.